Hi guys, how are you? As you can see, this mobile Tecno Ca7 and this mobile FRP bypass problem. So first of all, you have to connect and set any SIM in this mobile. Insert any SIM in this mobile and then connect pass Wi-Fi hotspot. Click emergency call and emergency information and pencil, as you can see, and add contact and select any contact tab on profile message. So now you have to write link youtube.com www.youtube.com and send message. YouTube link generate. Now click on link and open YouTube, search Google, and now you have to click on YouTube Google channel. So now click on three dot and trim and privacy policy. Next, here you can see Google Chrome browser open now, and now you have to search frpfile.com / bypass and search it. It's working now. So guys, scroll down and download Google account manager 8. Continue and allow. Okay, now download bypass FRP 1.0 APK and now click on three dot, as you can see in this mobile. Click on three dot and go download tabs, and here you can see application, install Google account manager, install it. Now click done and install bypass FRP. Install and open it. Click on three dot and browse sign in. Okay, do it and enter your Gmail. When you enter your Gmail and click next. After, input your password and sign in. Sign in completed. Now you have to restart your mobile. Press the power button and swipe up. It's restarting now, and do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Now get started. Escape, continue, and next. Escape, not now. More, I agree, no thanks. Just a second, it's working now. Do it. Now choose your country and then click next and next and next. So guys, FRP bypass is removed now, and now I'm going to next videos. So if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bye, be back later, see you.